So I got a 3D printer for my birthday, even though it's still like 18 days away. And I got some more stuff for my new project that I'm not gonna spoil just yet. It has something to do with me not getting a VR for my birthday and getting a 3D printer instead. So yeah, let's open this. Okay, well. And here we go. Alright, so here's the PLA filament. Holy moly, it's heavy. I didn't think it'd be this heavy. I got, I think it's orange filament. I got 2. One's not enough. Yep. And I got an SSD for my laptop whose hard drive failed. And I got a digital caliper because, you know, I got a 3D printer. I need to measure stuff. And I got an Arduino Uno. Yay. I mean Mega, what am I saying? Arduino Mega. Yay. And that's basically for this box. Oh, it's heavy. Oof. Yep. And now it's time for me to open the 3D printer. Okay, how am I gonna pick that? Alright, see you in like 2 seconds. Alright, the 2 seconds are over. So basically, I need to open this and assemble it. Because, yeah, it doesn't come pre-assembled. Well. I should not be using this knife. Oh well. And then the other side. I got that, and then hopefully it opens. Yes, let's go. Beautiful. Did I open this upside down? Did I? I think I went. I think it's the right way up. But let's go. I'm just gonna. Oh, let's go. That's beautiful. Yes, that's. I just need to assemble it now. Get a better look at it. Okay. Yep. Okay, yep. I'm gonna assemble it now, which is probably gonna take me another 2 hours. So yeah. Alright, so I put these 2 things on this. It was way harder than I expected it to be, but I got it done. Yay. There's a lot of pictures. Always a plus. And they're provided with tools. Awesome. So now I'm just gonna do the 5th step, or yeah, the 3rd step. Yeah. Thanks to this guy's tutorials are amazing. Yep. Thank you, you're a lifesaver. Alright, so I basically added the power supply, and if you're building one, don't forget to turn the switch to the voltage to 115 if you're living in America. And I added this, the display, and I added the Z switch. And now I'm gonna add the motor. And yeah, hopefully I can finish this today. Alright, so yeah, I put it all together. Took like an hour or 2 hours, and it works. Right now it's putting the test thing, and it's been like 5 minutes, I think, or maybe 10, and it's looking pretty good. Yep, took me around like an hour or 2 to build. Yes. Just admire the beauty, okay? It's beautiful. It's like $220. Cheap for a good 3D printer though. Like 3D printers are like up 500s if you want a good one. Yes. Yes. Yeah, and I also got this stuff. It's a digital caliper for measurements and stuff. Oops. And then I got an SSD for my laptop whose hard drive failed. Yeah. Alright, so I'm working on a new project. I don't want to spoil it, but it has something to do with me not being able to get a VR and getting a 3D printer instead for my birthday. And I don't have a VR, so I can't play Beat Saber. So I came up with a solution. I'm just gonna spoil it. Make my own Beat Saber in Unity. Yay. It kind of works. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. And the cubes are coming. It works. All I just need to do is 3D print all the stuff for the arm thing. And you might be thinking, what? I'm gonna play this with a keyboard and mouse? No, it's not fun with a keyboard and mouse. So I'm gonna make an arm thing that goes on my arm so I can actually play Beat Saber. Yay. Alright, it finished.